In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a domain using Google Workspace. Whether you're looking to prevent unwanted emails or protect your business from spam, knowing how to manage domains effectively is crucial. Let's dive right in and take you step by step through the process. First things first, go ahead and open up Google Workspace. If you're not familiar with it, Google Workspace is a suite of productivity tools that help businesses and individuals collaborate more effectively. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the admin console. This is your central hub for managing the services and settings across your Google Workspace account. Next, you'll want to log in using your business email account. Make sure you have the necessary administrative privileges, as some options might not be available to non-admin users. Once logged in, click Next or Sign in to proceed. This will lead you to the main dashboard. Now look to the upper right corner of the screen to find the Google Apps menu. Clicking on this will reveal various app options related to Google Workspace. From this menu, find and click on the admin icon. It's here where most of the administrative tasks are carried out, including setting up domain restrictions. Following that, we'll move on to the Apps section. This section contains all the application settings available under your Google Workspace account. Select Google Workspace from this menu, and then click on Gmail. We're zooming in on Gmail because our task involves blocking unwanted domains from sending emails to your organization. Inside the Gmail settings, direct your attention to the spam, phishing, and malware settings. These settings are key to managing what gets filtered and blocked in terms of emails entering your domain. Find the option labeled Blocked Senders and click on it. This will allow us to specify which domains or email addresses should be blocked from sending mail. Once you're in the blocked senders area, you need to click on Configure. Here, you'll be prompted to type in a description for your configuration. This step is helpful for keeping track of different rules you might want to set up, especially if you're managing several domains. Choose Use Existing List to decide whether you'd like to block a new domain, or select from a list you've already created. Either way, make sure the domain or email you want blocked is included. To finalize, type a custom rejection notice. This message gets sent to any blocked domains, making them aware they're restricted. Finally, remember to click Save to apply the changes you've made. That's it. Your settings will now prevent emails from the blocked domain from reaching your inbox, maintaining a more secure and clutter-free environment for your team. Blocking domains effectively helps streamline your communication channels and maintains focus, ensuring your Google Workspace remains efficient and productive. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.